I wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue. You know how I ride for you. Oh no girl, you don't have a clue. Wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue.
Babies, so I just want you to remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Join the Buzz Club. And I just want to let y'all know before I get into like doing the braids, I want to let y'all know what's going on. So I did these last night. And like I just wanted to do the back because I'm like, I'll just show y'all me doing the front. And I used the Freetress braiding hair, and like this had 6 like bundles of the braiding hair in it, and they look like this. So it was 6 of these, and it's very long. It's 28 inches, so I really liked it. And this like little bundle took me a long way. So now we're about to get into the video. Okay, so first you're gonna put your crochet needle through, and then you're gonna get the desired amount of hair that you want for your braid. You're gonna put that on the crochet needle and pull it through. After I pull it through, I am going to also pull one side all the way through so it can be in between the rubber band. I'm going to check the end to see if it's the right size, and then I'm going to tighten up the rubber band by pulling my real hair. I'll section the braiding hair into 3 sections, taking a little bit out of the right side and a little bit out of the left side. And then after that, I'm going to section my real hair into 3 pieces and connect those 3 pieces to the braiding hair. After I connect the 3 pieces, I am going to braid my hair normally like how I would braid if I was just doing a regular braid. And I'm going to do that all the way down to the end. I'm going to repeat this process throughout the front of my hair and show you how I put these braids in. I'll see you at the end of the video to let you know how this came out. And I'll leave all the products that I use in the braiding hair down below in the description. this look. I think they came out really good. These are the ends, and I gotta dip the ends, so it's a little bit stiff right now, just a little bit. And I want to show you guys the back of it. And it's pretty long, comes a little bit past my butt, and I'm probably gonna wear it in like a side part. I like having my braids to like the side. So I'm really happy with this. Like, I didn't know how it was gonna come out, but I think that it came out really nice, and I really like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Join the Boss Club. See y'all in the next video, Boss Babies.
Wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down